Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, Miss Lola's Hair and More. I am so excited, and I always am when I'm in my studio making hair units, and that's what I've been doing for the last several weeks, making hair units for my second live stream that's happening on Saturday, February the 18th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. My first live stream, I was nervous and somewhat unorganized, but still it went really well. But this time, I want everything to be much more streamlined for you. I'm going to be featuring mostly freestyle hair units that you guys have been asking me for, and I have made almost 50 of them. It's really been fun designing and making these cute hair units in different colors, cap sizes, and textures. My freestyle hair units are so versatile. They can be worn by anyone, not just those of us with hair loss, but anyone who wants to clip on a hair addition for an easy style change. All of my units are available now on my website, but I encourage you to wait until the live stream before purchasing because only the pictures and the names are shown, and you'll want to wait and get the descriptions during the live stream, where I'm going to be giving all of the details about the hair units and answering your questions that you might have. You can then visit the website during the live stream or even afterwards to order the hair unit that you want because you'll have the description for them then. I hope this works much better for you than it did with the first live stream. So I am really excited about my second live stream coming Saturday, February the 18th at 7 p.m. And I am anxiously awaiting and looking forward to meeting so many more of you and talking to you and answering your questions about my hair units. Before you leave, enable that notification bell so that you will not miss my live stream or any of my future videos. Take care, everybody. I will see you soon. Bye-bye.